she's bound to make a few mistakes. She tries to make the bed cozy for everyone. And she's having a hard time getting comfortable. No one ever said being a new mom was easy.
Nacho.
When Rosie goes for a drink, the pups can smell that she's gone. And this little mama's girl, Jojo, isn't happy about it. Neither is her brother Finn, who opens his eyes for the very first time to look for her. Rosie returns to make sure the first face he sees is hers. But Finn's eyes don't stay open for very long. It's hard work being a puppy. Meanwhile, Rosie's ready to play. She tries to get the pups in on the fun. But they're not quite ready. In time, the 6 puppies will learn to play with Mom. But for now, just dreaming about it is enough. Back at the crowded Rottweiler